Hello guys, welcome back to Trading for Beginners, and in this video I'm going to talk about how can you check Binance Square messages. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Now in order to check that, you just simply have to open your Binance application and then tap to this yellow Binance icon into the top left corner. After going into there, you will get to see more service option. Tap to more service and then go to information section directly. And after going into informations, you will get to see this live option in here. Tap to live and then tap to me button. And after that, you will get to see a list of options. Just simply select messages and you will get to see all of your recent messages into your Binance Square. I hope this video was informative for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching the video.